Here, today we are going to learn trigonometry, the conditional trigonometry. The first question we have here is, if A plus B plus C is equal to pi radian, or ABC are the angles of a triangle, then prove that prove that cot 2A, cot 2B, cot 2C, or prove that cot 2A into cot 2B plus cot 2B into cot 2C, cot 2B times cot 2C plus cot 2C times cot 2A is equal to 1. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi radian, then prove that cot 2A into cot 2B plus cot 2B times cot 2C plus cot 2C times cot 2A is equal to 1. For this, we start with A plus B plus C is equal to pi. Here, A plus B plus C is equal to pi radian. This is given. So we need to 2 times this angle, 2 times this, 2 times this. We need this 2 times A, 2 times B, 2 times C. So we multiply both sides by 2. So this will be 2A plus 2B plus 2C is equal to 2 times pi radian. Now, among these three, one of these three can be transposed to this side, or 2A plus 2B can be 2 times pi minus 2C. So taking cot angle on both sides, cot 2 times A plus 2 times B is equal to cot 2 times pi minus 2C. 2 pi is 360 degree. Now use cast formula for this cot 2 pi minus 2C. Cot 360 minus theta. Where does this lie? This 2 pi is here, 2 pi minus this. So this lies in the fourth quadrant. This is first for all. This second is for sine and cosec. And this is for tan and cot. This is for cos and sec. Here only cos and sec angle are positive, other are negative. So cot 2 pi minus 2C is, since this is 2 pi, 360 degree. So in this horizontal line, the trigonometric ratio remains same, do not change or does not change. So the answer is, according to the cast formula, cot 360 minus theta is minus cot 2C. Since the home of this cos and sec, this fourth is the home of cos and sec, so cot is negative here in this home. So this is negative cot 2C. Now put the formula for cot 2A plus 2B, cot A plus B, using formula of cot A plus B. Therefore, cot A plus B is cot A into cot B minus 1 over cot B or cot A, cot B plus cot A is equal to minus cot 2C. This is as it is. Now, by cross multiplying them, we multiply this by this and this denominator by this numerator. So here cot 2A, cot 2B minus 1 is multiplied by this one denominator. So this remains same, cot 2A into cot 2B minus 1. But this minus cot 2c get multiplied by this. So this is equal to minus cot 2b times cot 2c. Again minus cot 2c will be multiplied by this. So this will be again minus cot 2c into cot 2a. Now we transpose this and this product to the left side and this one to the right side, and we'll have this one. So for the last line, after this, we come to this side, or cot 2a, this one, into cot 2b, this one. This minus will be plus when this is transposed from right to left, shifted to the left side. This will be plus cot 2b into cot 2a, and this also will be plus when this is shifted to the left side, cot 2c into cot 2a, and this one goes to the right side. This will be plus 1. Proved. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Proved. Go for the next one. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, this is short question. Then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Here we start with this again. Here A plus B plus C is equal to pi. In terms of tan and cot, we start with this. Or take any two of these three to the left side, and the third one is same to the right side, taking tan angle on both sides. So tan A plus B is equal to tan pi minus C. Now put the formula of tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. And this tan 180 minus theta. This lies in second quadrant, this one. And this is home for only sine and cosec. So tan will be negative, and in pi, in 180 and 260, the trigonometric ratio remains same, tan C, but this is not the home for the tan, so it will be minus tan C. Now cross multiply this by this and this by this, or multiply tan A plus tan B by 1, so it remains same, unchanged, tan A plus tan B. Multiply this minus tan C by 1, it will be minus tan C, and again minus tan C by this, tan A into tan B. So minus times minus is plus, tan A into tan B into tan C. So look for this RHS, tan A into tan B into tan C. So we need to bring this minus tan C to the left side. So minus tan C will be plus when this comes to this side, or tan A plus tan B minus become plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Proved. Go for the third one. This is also short questions. Short question. The third one is also short one. Here, if a plus b plus c is equal to pi, prove that cot a into cot b plus cot b into cot c plus cot c into cot a is 1. Prove that cot a into cot b plus cot b into cot c plus cot c into cot a is equal to 1. For this also, we start with this. Whenever tan and cot comes, we start with the given a plus b plus c is equal to pi. So a plus b is equal to pi minus c. Taking cot angle to the both side, and here also cot pi minus c. Now cot a plus b. Again put the formula for cot a plus b. Cot a into cot b minus 1 over cot b plus cot a, or cot a plus cot b, and cot 180 minus theta minus cot theta. So theta is here. Again multiply this by this and this by this. Cot a plus cot a, multiply cot a into cot b by this one. So it will be cot a into cot b. Again minus 1 with this. So it will be minus 1. And now this minus cot c with cot b. Multiply this by this, minus cot b into cot c, again minus cot a into cot c. Or rearrange this according to the LHS and RHS. Cot a into cot b plus this comes here, cot b into cot c. This also comes this side, cot a into cot c. And this one goes that side. This will be 1. Proved. Next. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, the next one is or in place of a, b, c, suppose this is 20 degree, this b is 60 degree, and then 20 plus 60, 80, and this c is 100 degree. In this case also, we use the same method, same process. Here we have one example related to this. Prove that tan 20 degree plus tan 60 degree plus tan 100 degree is equal to tan 20 into tan 60 times tan 100 degree. In this case, a plus b plus c is 180, not given. This is already a plus b plus c is equal to 180. This is not given, but this is 180. 20 plus 60 plus 100, if you check that, this will be 180 degrees. So this is not mentioned. Now, according to the previous rule or previous way, we can prove this also. Here, 20 degree plus 60 degree plus 100 degree is 180 degree. So out of these three, 2 of the 3 are kept this side. 20 plus 60 is 180 minus 100. Now taking tan, 20 plus 60 is equal to tan 180 minus 100. Put the formula for tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a into tan B, that is tan 180 minus theta, minus tan theta. So minus tan 100 degree. Multiply this by this and this one by this two. We'll have this one. So tan 20 plus tan 60 is equal to minus tan 100 minus minus plus tan 20, tan 60, tan 100. Tan 20, tan 60 into tan 100. Now bring this to this side. Tan 20 degree plus tan 60 degree plus tan 100 degree is equal to tan 20 into tan 60 into tan 100 proved. Go for another one. This is of another type. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree and one more condition is given. A plus B plus C is equal to pi radian and cos B is equal to cos A into cos C, and cos B is equal to cos A into cos C. Then prove that tan B is equal to tan A plus tan C. Tan B is equal to tan A plus tan C. Here again we start with, no, we can start with this RHS, tan A plus tan C. Prove that tan A plus tan C is equal to tan B. Start with this RHS. RHS is equal to tan A plus tan C. What is tan A? Sin A. Change this all into sin in terms of sin and cos. Since one of the condition is given in cos, in terms of cos. So tan A is sin A by cos A plus tan C is sin C over cos C. Take the LCM. The LCM is cos A into cos C. Cos A into cos C. Now divide this by this. Cos and cos will be cancelled and this remains. For this, multiply this sin A by cos C. So this is sin A into cos C plus, again, cos A will get multiplied by sin C, cos A into sin C. Think of the formula for this. Sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Of course, this is in terms of sin A plus B. So this is in the form of sin A plus, in place of B there is C. Sin A plus C is sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C, and this remains same, cos A into cos C. Now sin A plus C, using this, we can use this given now. A plus C is equal to 180 minus B. So here A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. So sin A plus C, we need A plus C together. A plus C is 180 minus B. Sin A plus C is equal to sin 180 minus B. So what is sin 180 minus theta? It is in second. So this is the home for sine, and in 180 in horizontal line, the trigonometric ratio remains same. So this is sine B. Second quadrant is the home of sine, so it will be positive. And in 180, the ratio will not be changed, so it will be sine B. So sine A plus C is sine B. Sine B. And cos A into cos C is here. Cos A into cos C is this given now. Cos A into cos C is cos B. So this is cos B. So sine B by cos B is tan B, proved. Next. When A plus B is 45, prove that 1 plus tan A times 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. This is of another type. If A plus B is equal to pi by 4, that means 45 degree, pi by 4 radian or 45 degree, then prove that 1 plus tan A times 1 plus tan B is equal to 2. Start with this. A plus B is equal to pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Now taking tan to the both side, therefore tan A plus B is tan 45 degree. What is tan 45? 1. Now replace the formula for A plus B. So A plus tan A plus B is replaced by tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A into tan B, which is equal to 1. Or cross multiply again. This goes here and this goes that side. So tan A plus tan B is equal to, multiply this denominator by 1. It remains same now. 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Bring this to this side, or we need to the right side, so we don't need this to the right. Tan B plus tan A into tan B is equal to 1. We need 2 here in place of 1. So add 1 more to the both side. Now adding 1 to the both side. So add 1 this side, 1 plus, add 1 more to this side as well, or 1 plus tan A. We need 1 plus tan A and 1 plus tan B. So simply by looking, we can get 1 plus tan A from these two, and taking B common from this, we'll have 1 plus tan A. Now get the factor of this. So 1 plus tan A is as it is. Taking tan B and tan B from both sides, tan B will have 1 remains here and tan A remains in the second term, is equal to 2. Now the last line, and then we prove this. So taking tan A and tan A common, again this tan A and tan A is taken common, so we'll have 1 plus tan A is common, and 1 remains to this, 1 remains to this, and tan B remains here, tan B remains here, that is 2. Proved. Next, prove that, now this is of another type. One minus tan 20 into tan 25 is equal to tan 20 plus tan 25. Same type. This is also same. Prove that 1 minus tan 20 degree into tan 25 degree is equal to tan 20 degree plus tan 25 degree. This is same as A plus B is 45 degree, previous one. A is this, B is this plus this is 45. So do as before. Here 20 degree plus 25 degrees 45 degree. Taking tan to the both side, tan, and this side also tan. Put the formula of tan A plus tan B. Tan 20 plus tan 25 degree by 1 minus tan 20 into tan 25 degree is equal to 1. Now as before, we multiply this by 1, or this is sent to this side. Tan 20 plus tan 25 degree is equal to 1 minus tan 20 degree into tan 25 degree. Proved. This is LHS and this is RHS here. Now next, tan 55 minus tan 35 is 2 times tan 20. Prove that. Tan 55 degree minus tan 35 degree is equal to 2 times tan 20 degree. Prove that. Here we can see the relation between this and this and this. So 55 minus 35. 55 minus 35. Is that 20? 20 degree. So these three angles are correlated. So this minus this is this. So we write according to that. 55 degree minus 35 degree is 20 degree. Taking tan on both sides, tan 55 minus 35 is equal to tan 20, or tan A minus tan B over 1 plus tan A into tan B. Now change this. We don't need this. We need 2 times 20. So this is 1 and this must be 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 get multiplied by this, and hence the RHS will be obtained. See, this must be 1. Tan 55 into tan 35. 55 plus 35 is 90. When tan comes in this form of two angles whose sum is 90, then the product of the angles is 1. Or 10, we can change this using cast formula, one term into another term. That comes under cot tan 55 minus tan 35 is 1 plus tan 55. Change this into cot or this into cot. Tan 55 is 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35. 90 minus 35 is 55. Again, into tan 35. That is equal to tan 20. Or tan 55 minus tan 35 over, see, this is 1 and this is tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, cot 35 into tan 35. That is equal to tan 20. Tan into cot of same angle gives 1. Tan theta into cot theta is 1. So this is 1 plus 1, 2. After this, we'll have this line. tan 55 minus tan 35 is equal to 1 plus 1, that is tan 20 degree, or tan 55 minus tan 35 is equal to 2 times tan 20 degree. Proved. Now next, A+B long question. We have a long question. We can prove this now. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then prove that sine 2A plus sine 2B plus sine 2C is 4 cos 2A cos 2B, cos A into cos B into cos C. This is the question. Now we can prove this.